Hi everyone, Agsim here, your Filipino wig maker, and welcome to Wigs Philippines, the original. For today's video, magbibigay ako ng another wig demo, and of course, we'll let you know how it works in getting a wig coming from me. Again, my name is Agustin, and I'm your wig maker based here in North Caloocan. So, umpisahan natin, ano nga ba yung current hair condition ko? So, my hair condition is genetics or hereditary. So, it runs in the family that we have thinning hair. So, ito yung ating thinning hair. Ayan, no? I'm pretty sure marami sa inyo yung nagkaka-experience rin ng ganito. Others are undergoing chemotherapy and others naman are just, ganito, hereditary na napapanot na. So, yes, it's very hard to admit, pero yes, if you're watching this, I'm pretty sure if not napapanot, you're undergoing chemotherapy. So, others have alopecia din. So, I want to tell you, hindi ka nag-iisa. It's just that magaling tayong magtago ng ating mga sikreto. Just like this one. Pero ako, I want to show you how my hair looks like para maintindihan mo that madami ang may pinagdadaanan ng ganitong hair condition. So yan. So if insecure ka, ako din. That's why I'm here in this field and I wanted to make sure na lahat kayo makakaramdam ng confidence that you deserve. So usually ginagawa lang naman natin is to bring back what's lost. So the one that I made here is a short wig. So basically I created a video last time. So if you haven't watched that, just check the video before this. I cut it really, really short. So as you could see, this one has gray hair. Ayan siya. And as usual, basic cap construction lang tayo. This one is a basic cap construction. And of course, my logo is very simple. So ito yung long wig last time. We just cut it really, really short. So let's put it on. Again, this is what my hair looks like and isuot na natin siya. Very easy lang, parang bonnet. So meron pa tayo excess lace. Yan, i-part mo lang, i-center mo. Ako, ganito yung ginawa ko so that nakikita pa rin yung aking hairline. This is not a toupee, just a full wig. So ikakat nyo lang tong excess lace. Ito yung ating hairline and you could see may mga gray hair tayo. I could still cut it shorter pero I want it na medyo mahaba pa so that we can definitely still use it pretty well. So I'll show you the sides and the back. The sides again. There you go. So if your natural hair has gray hair, it would just definitely blend in. So trim nyo lang din yung buhok nyo rito. But I want it kasi na makikita yung dito nyo so that it would still look natural, especially sa front area. So pag nakat nyo to excess lace, it looks pretty natural. So for men's out there, I'm telling you, this one is really good. I do have problems now when it comes to pricing this specific wig. I'm telling you, longer wig seems pretty expensive now for others. Well, this one is way more hard to achieve and to finish because of cutting it. So maraming mga trial and error na nangyari and this is what I could say na okay. And it's pretty expensive to make this specific wig because of the time we provide just to finish this wig. So kung nakikita nyo yung mga nagsashine, those are the white hair. By the way, kaya siya nakaganyan is because na-blower natin siya. So wash and blower lang. I haven't add any hair products to this one. But you could definitely add hair wax or hair gel. But again, turn around. Isa pang ikot. Alright, so like right now, looking at the screen dito sa aking phone, or should I say sa inyong screen, I feel more confident kasi grabe kasi yung changes na nagawa na. Ito yung sinasabi nilang instantly you look good. Like, ayan. As in, suotin mo lang siya, okay na. Ganon ka-simple, wala tayong glue. Suot mo lang. Very basic. Adjust mo yung hairline mo. It's not going anywhere. Fully fitted yan. Sumakit yung ulo mo na lang sa kakashake but it's not gonna come off. Ayan o, kita mo? It looks pretty good. Grabe, ilang ikot ako because I'm very very happy as a wig maker. I'm happy with what I have created. And if hindi ka pa sanay na lumabas na ganito ang buhok mo, you could still wear your cap. So, syempre, yung iba ginaganyan yung mga poging may buhok eh. Then you wear your cap. So, basically, parang nag-start ka to something. So, I always go to the gym. So, if ever na may wig ako and ayoko ang pahalata, pero gusto ko munang i-introduce sa kanila yung sides ng hair ko, just like this one, okay? And if ever ready ka na to go out and let others know about your new hair, just take it off and you're good to go. So this one is still 5x5 lace. So you can still definitely part this anywhere you want. So pwedeng pag ganito or pag ganyan, it's really up to you. But ayan yung ating parting. Wala lang tayong suot na wig cap, that's why. But again, there it is. You don't need glue. Hindi siya mangangamoy. If umuwi ka, you just need to take it off. Rest. Maligo ka ng regular na pagligo ng Pinoy, either morning or evening, as many times na gusto mong maligo, especially now it's summer. And if lalabas ka or you wanted to look good sa kahit nasa bahay ka lang, just get it and wear it. Hindi to tulad ng mga video na reverse yung ginagawa, yung pag ano, no? This is real video and this is how easy it is na suotin yung wig na to. Bakit madali? Because it's fully customized and we provided a lot of hours just to make something this good. So if you're someone who needs hair, pero you can commit to toupee, but you can commit to a hat. So basically, kung lagi ka nagsusuot ng hat, well, this one really works. So if ever merong mga special events na hindi pwede to, you have something like this. I don't consider this expensive. I consider this a good investment. It's not pricey, but a good investment. Return of investment. Paano? Like I'm telling you, first time mo palang suotin, masasabi mo nang worth it. So I'm inviting you to come visit here at my studio, located here at North Caloocan. You can message us here on Facebook, and we'll let you know how to schedule your appointment with me. So ako yung mag-a-assist sa'yo on how to get this type of wig. We will measure your head. Usually 2 appointments lang, first visit, and then on second visit, kadalasan pick up na. And you have to wear it for about a week. And then after a week, dun natin malalaman if merong mga problems or anything sa inyong wig. And if ever merong problems, I'll definitely be able to assist you. So if ever may adjustment or we would need to add more white hair or anything, kasama yun sa cover. And what I can offer to you right now is that I am providing a warranty that as long as gamit nyo yung hair ninyo or the wig that you purchased from me, as long as you are wearing it, I'll make sure to cover all those minimal repairs. But of course, if medyo malaki na yung nasira, we will just ask for some charges. But then again, I will make sure na as long as gamit ninyo, we have to make sure na maganda ang hair ninyo and talagang walang sira. Bakit? Because you will be my walking model. Basically, habang suot mo siya and someone notice or ask you about your hair, I'm pretty sure you'll be very confident in recommending me. And right now, most of my clients are just word of mouth, and I'm very, very thankful sa ating mga clients out there na was just watching us, hindi nagko-comment down there, but just letting others know their experience about me. So maraming salamat po. And I always make sure to work really hard dito sa ating mga nagagawa. And right now, someone is watching me. And of course, I'd like to show you Lalaine. Ayan. Hi!
Hi po!
And Scarlett. Where's Scarlett? Yan, no? Hi ka, Scarlett. Yan. So, they are the one assisting me. So, pag pupunta kayo rito, oops, you'll definitely see them. So, sila, very hands-on din sila, assisting me in creating this type of wigs para sa inyo. I know it would take about 4 weeks para makatapos kami ng wig. But I wanted you to know that dito sa trabahong ginagawa namin, we're not just helping you, but you're also helping us. And I'm very, very thankful sa lahat ng mga tuloy-tuloy na sumusuporta sa amin. So aside dito sa wig na to, that I know na gagwapo if ever meron kayong ganito. Because Like right now, I don't need to convince myself if ever I'm a buyer or a customer. I'll definitely say yes to this kasi who would say yes to that? That fast? Instantly? Diba? Adjust lang natin na onte, medyo na-push backward. And, ang bilis lang. Hindi na siya matatanggal. And it's moving, oh. Woohoo! Diba? So, I know it's 10 minutes video na, pero if you're still watching this up to this part of this video, this is your sign to go ahead and message us here at Wigs Philippines, the original, and we will help you achieve your dream hair. Either that's for ladies out there or for men like this one. We are surely that we have something to create just for you. My name is Agustin and I am the wig maker here at Wigs Philippines, the original. Have a good one. Bye!